Hello, hi, and good evening. So today in the session we are going to learn how can see laptop desktop serial number in Windows 11. Now that time before that we are seeing we can get the serial number using WMIC through the command line. Like I'm showing to you how can get. Let's see. So in the run we can type CMD. You can see how can get. I'm running one command WMIC BIOS -get -serial number. It's something incorrect. SERIALMUMBER. You can see I have installed the WMIC through the command line utility. We can run this and found this through this system and going on the system. Click on the optional features, view features. Here we can search WMIC. It's already added. If anyone not finding serial number in command prompt, then you can install this utility in the system menu, or you can also run PowerShell ISE run as administrator, and here you can type get -WMI object space win32 _ BIOS. You can also see here assembly version, manufacturer, and serial number. So in Windows 11 you can find two-way through the command line and PowerShell. So now that time we are seeing command line WMIC command does not work. So for this WMIC command you can install the utility in the system. Optional feature you can see here. View or edit optional feature you can see here, and we need to add search WMIC. If not added, then you can click here and install this two-way. And thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.